I used AI to cut my annual insurance costs by $500. This took less than 10 minutes of my time. For years, I just paid my premiums, assuming everything was optimized. It turns out that assumption cost me hundreds. This wasn't about switching providers. It was about deeply understanding my existing insurance policies. Most people overpay on their financial coverage without ever realizing it. You can use this AI method right now to find your own hidden savings. Insurance policies are complex legal documents. They are filled with jargon, clauses, and fine print. This complexity often leads to two problems. First, you might be paying for overlapping coverage. For example, your health insurance and travel insurance could have redundant benefits. Second, you might miss out on discounts you qualify for. Insurers rarely highlight these. Reviewing a 50-page policy manually feels like a massive task. Most people just avoid it. This means leaving money on the table year after year. This is where AI changes the game. AI tools excel at processing vast amounts of text quickly. They can identify patterns and extract specific information that would take hours for a human. For your insurance policies, this means I can scan for duplicate coverage, identify potential savings, and flag unclear terms. It turns dense financial documents into understandable insights. This ability to instantly clarify complex financial information is a major leap for personal finance management. The first step is preparing your insurance policy documents. You need to convert your physical policies into digital text. If you have PDFs, most AI tools can directly process them. For paper documents, use a scanner or a mobile app to create a searchable PDF. The goal is to get all the policy text into a format the AI can read. Ensure your documents are clear and legible. This digital conversion is crucial for effective AI analysis of your financial contracts. Next, you feed the text to an AI like ChatGPT or Claude. Use a specific prompt to guide the AI's analysis. Start by asking it to summarize the key coverages and exclusions. Then, instruct it to identify any potential areas for cost reduction. For example, ask, "Find any overlapping coverage with my other policies," or "Identify terms that suggest I might qualify for additional discounts." Be clear and direct with your questions to the AI about your financial protection. The AI will generate a detailed output. Your job is to interpret these results. Look for direct statements about potential savings or areas of overlap. For example, the AI might highlight that your homeowner's policy includes flood insurance, but you also have a separate flood policy. Or it could point out a clause about a discount for smart home security systems you didn't know about. These insights directly translate into financial savings. Pay close attention to any jargon the AI clarifies. It simplifies complex investment terms. Let's use a real example. I had 3 different insurance policies: auto, home, and an umbrella policy. I asked AI to analyze them for redundancy. It found that my umbrella policy's personal liability coverage partially overlapped with my auto insurance limits. It also identified a specific home insurance rider I no longer needed, saving me $75 annually. These findings were clear and actionable. Without spotting these small but significant details in hundreds of pages would be nearly impossible. This highlights the power of AI in personal financial planning. Beyond just cost savings, AI can enhance your overall financial risk management. Ask the AI to identify any gaps in your coverage based on your life situation. For example, if you recently bought real estate, does your homeowner's insurance adequately cover new risks? If you have dependents, does your life insurance match current needs? AI helps you proactively address potential vulnerabilities. This transforms your insurance from a passive expense into an active part of your financial protection strategy. However, remember, AI is a tool. It is not a licensed financial advisor. Always verify the AI's findings with a human insurance professional or your agent. Do not make policy changes based solely on AI recommendations. Also, be mindful of data privacy. Do not upload sensitive personal information unless you are using a secure, private AI instance. Treat the AI as your first-pass analyst. Human expertise remains vital for final investment and legal decisions. The real power here is empowerment. You gain clarity and control over your financial obligations. You no longer have to blindly trust that your insurance is perfectly aligned with your needs. This method gives you the data to have informed conversations with your insurance provider. You can ask targeted questions about specific clauses or potential discounts. This shifts you from a passive policyholder to an active participant in managing your own financial well-being. Saving hundreds on insurance is just one example of how AI can directly impact your financial life. This tool takes a daunting task and makes it manageable. yielding real, measurable results. Understanding your financial contracts shouldn't be reserved for experts. This method puts that power in your hands. There is much more to uncover about using AI to optimize your workflows and daily life.